Well, good morning. Today I am going to open up and show you a cab winglet for my Ranger. It's from STSEV01, and this is what it looks like. We'll take a look at it and then I'll show you how to install it after the fact. All right, so I've opened the box and it seems very nicely packaged. There's a two-sided tape for installation, so there's no, and here's the instructions. It says no drilling required. So I'm going to take it out of the box and then we'll open it up and take a look at it, and then we'll put it up on the truck and see how it looks. I think I have to do some prep if I am going to install it to make sure that it sticks to the truck, but there you go. That's how it came packaged. All right, so I opened it up and it is very light. I think this is a side that goes above the rear tail light. This is for a 19 to 23 Ranger. I have a 25, so they didn't have one for the 25, so I ordered this just to see if it would fit on my 25, because there's this distance between the tail light and the antenna. So anyways, fit and finish, it feels pretty light. It's definitely gloss black, as you can tell. And yeah, I don't know if there's very much more to say about it. It's got a little scratch there, but that will be covered up by the installation on the roof. So let's look at the instructions. All right, these are standard instructions for trunk or roof spoilers. No drilling is required. It says wipe both the surface that it's getting installed, and I would wipe the roof as well, and attach tape on the bottom of the product. Install the tape on the product's attachment surface as much as possible according to the shape of the product. Use a hairdryer to warm up the tape. I'm in South Louisiana. It's like not even 8 o'clock and it's probably 90 degrees out already. I'm going to skip that part. Mark the center of the spoiler and partially remove the red film. Wipe the rear trunk or roof with alcohol to make it clean. Mark the center of the car for positioning, and then you install it. And it says cure time can take up to 24 to 48 hours, so don't wash the car. So there you go. Very simple to install, and there's what it looks like. I'm trying to see, I see some fingerprints now that I've taken it out, but let's put it up on the roof and just see how it looks. All right, so I put it up there with some painter's tape just to see how the fit and finish would be, and it looks pretty good considering I don't have it attached correctly. That's what it looks like along the back. We'll see how this side looks, but it seems to fit very well. So if you're considering this and you're worried about fit and finish, it looks like it fits very well. There you go. That's what it looks like. If this is something you're considering, the fit and finish, like I said, is pretty good. So there you go. Hopefully this helps you out if you're trying to make a decision on one of these.